everyone, welcome back to my channel, TJ's Life, and my name is Tanja. If you are new and just passing through, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And first off, I would like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Now, I do intend to do shout outs at the end of, or post shout outs at the end of my video. And if you have subscribed and I do not mention your name or your handle on YouTube, that's because your page is not public. So I do apologize for that, but I'm just as thankful. So let's just go ahead and get into this budget. Today I will be doing my weekly check-in for December 15th through the 21st. Now, first off, though, I'm going to go in and just make sure that I have all the information in here, and then I'm going to highlight. So go, and then this is my pre-planned budget workbook, and I started this in November, and I'm going to try to complete the whole thing. So let me see here. We are in from the 15th, so I'll be starting here. And what I do is sometimes, because I miss when a payment may have came out, or I just forgot to write it, so I'll just put an asterisk by the date that it actually came out, and then I'll just write it in here, and then I'll just go ahead and highlight everything. But let's double check here. So we're going to go back to the 15th. And let me get my pen here. So I just want to make sure I got everything in here. So value, food, spectrum, day and mark. So let's go ahead and highlight those. So let me flip it this way, kind of make it a little easier. And then I need to do something else real quick. Hold on. Check something else. Okay, so, alright. So this was unbudgeted. This was unbudgeted. And as you can see, I used a color coding system. The next thing was Spectrum. That was an expense. Spent $38.94. Then I went to the grocery store. That's right here. Then I had to go back to the grocery store the next day. Then I have another unbudgeted. I did have a no spend on the 17th. Let's see here. These two items, Google Play, and of course Max is auto pay. And then I had to go to Dollar General. I forgot what I got out of there, but I had something to do. Oh, soap. That's what I got. I got soap that day. The gas station. Not for gas, but for some other things. Let's flip it over. Stamps.com. That's an auto pay. Then I went to Aldi. Since I got this in my hands yesterday, I had to go to the grocery store again. And then we ate out for Friday. Some Popeye's chicken. And then I had 2 more miscellaneous spends yesterday. Okay, so we're done with that. So let me put my highlighters back. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go into my weekly check-in here. So I'm going to switch sides with this because I need to write some totals down in here, and I need to have it open on this side. calculator. Go. Alright, so expenses for the week. I only spent $38.94. Okay, and I started off with $684.14 minus $38.94 equals $645.20. And then for auto pay, let's see here, we had $533, $18.14, $533 equals $28.80. And let's see, subtract that from $357.23, and that leaves me with a balance of $328.43. Alright, so grocery, let's see here. So we got $26.69, $7.16, $8.54, $9.82, and $13.96 equals $66.17. Subtract that from $278.97, gives me a balance of $212.80. And then we're going to eating out, and that was just minus $20, which leaves me with a balance of $77.01. Okay, miscellaneous. Let's see, $22.62 and $38.62 minus 447, $53.85 is my balance. And then unbudgeted, so I already see $50. Okay, $50. And that gives me $619 as the balance. And then what I do next is this, I bring this total over here. So $645.20, $328.43, $212.80, $77.01, and $53.85, $619. And this is going to be my new total for this week coming up. So if you stay to the end, thank you so much. And like I said before, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. And if you wish to see more videos like this, just go ahead and hit the subscribe bell and then hit the bell one more time, just so that you can see a new video every time I upload one. So until next time, bye bye.